Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a happy and healthy new year. Since we are starting this year on a healthy note, I have a perfect recipe for the weather: hot and sour vegetable soup. It's a super easy recipe, so let's get started. For making a hot and sour vegetable soup, here in a non-stick pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. This might seem a little more, but we have to saute a lot of vegetables. After that, I'm adding a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and ginger and a teaspoon of green chili paste. You can add more green chili if you like. Now we are going to saute it on high flame for 30 to 40 seconds or until our garlic leaves the raw flavor. And after that, I'm adding all the veggies. So here I have half onion finely chopped, half cup of finely chopped capsicum, half cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup of finely chopped French beans, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrot. I'm also adding a tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander. A few leaves of coriander can completely change the flavor of the soup, so don't forget to add coriander. And now on high flame, I'm going to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes or until our veggies are semi-cooked. So what are your New Year resolutions like? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear it. And you know what's mine? It is to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible, which is possible if you guys subscribe. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you would be notified every time I post a new video. Now that our veggies are almost cooked, I'm going to add water. So here I'm adding around 750 ml of water. You can add as per your requirement or how many people you are serving it. Since this is a vegetable soup, so I'm not going to add vegetable stock, but if you have it readily available, then you can add vegetable stock as well. And now on high flame, we are going to let this boil until all our veggies are perfectly cooked and it forms into a vegetable stock. If you like soupy recipes, then you can also check out my sweet corn soup recipe and Manchow Maggi recipe, which are already on my channel. I will also link it at the end of this video and in the description below, so you can check that out as well. We are going to let this cook until 2 to 3 boils. Keep stirring on regular intervals so that our vegetables don't sink to the bottom. As you can see that the veggies are perfectly cooked and our stock is ready. This soup is a circus of flavors, so we'll quickly add in all the seasoning. Here I'm adding half tablespoon of salt. You can add it as per your taste. And I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you like, then you can also add crushed black pepper. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of sugar. It is to balance out the acidity of the soup. If you want, then you can skip it as well. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is white vinegar. If you don't have it, then you can also add lemon juice, but adding vinegar will give that perfect restaurant style feel to it, so do add vinegar if you have. And here comes our star ingredient. I'm adding 2 teaspoon of red chili sauce. This is going to make our soup super hot. The word hot in this soup is not hot as in garam, but hot as in spicy. So it's a very spicy soup. It resembles Manchow soup a lot, but it's yet so different from it. So you will have to try and taste it yourself to know how different and tasty it is. And now to improve its thickness, I'm adding 1/4 cup of corn flour slurry, This is around a tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 1/4 cup of water. As soon as you add the slurry, keep stirring it, otherwise it will form lumps. And again we are going to let this boil on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to thicken up. It's in a perfect soupy consistency and ready to be served. And a hot and sour vegetable soup is ready. Loaded with veggies, this recipe is perfect for the weather, so do give this recipe a try and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. I come up with new videos every Sunday. Until we meet next time, keep munching! Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. Links are in the description below. Bye.